This is now our 11th problem in our age problems topic in algebra. So this is the problem. What is a man's present age if after 20 years his age will be 10 times his age 10 years back? Okay, so this is another kind of age problem that most of the students find difficult or find it very difficult to solve, but actually this is a very easy problem. I think one of the easiest problem that we have solved so far. So to solve this, again, we'll make a table. So this time I think the suitable table for this problem, because this is a very short problem, we can use a 2 by 4 table size. So 2 by 4 table size. So I will divide this into 4 columns. Alright, so these are the 4 columns, and I'll divide it into 2 rows. So the problem mentioned about present age or age now. So we can label here age now. It doesn't matter where you put this. You can put it here or there. But since we have after 20 years, so if the age of the person mentioned is any variable that you can represent to, then if that is his age now, then 10 years or 20 years later, so after 20 years, so that will be in the future, so you can put it here. Then we have also 10 years back, so you can put it in the other field. So we position the current or the present age now in this field. Okay, so we have age now, then we have here age 10 years back, 10 years back, and then age after 20 years. Okay, and then we have only one person mentioned in this problem. We have a man. Okay, that's the name of the person. So the problem says that what is a man's present age? So this is redundancy, because is that refers to present, then it is mentioned also that a man's present age. Okay, so it means his age now. So we can let any variable, we can let, say, x be a man's age now. Okay, so this is a man's age now, x. Then it says that if after 20 years, so what will be a man's age after 20 years? So this will be x plus 20. Okay, it says that if after 20 years his age will be 10 times his age 10 years back. So 10 years back or 10 years ago, so that is x minus 10. Okay, so our table is now filled up. So I will rewrite this statement here so that we can easily convert some wordings there into mathematical statement. So if it says that if after 20 years his age will be 10 times his age 10 years back. Okay, so this is part of the problem statement that we can extract And this is where we convert this sentence into mathematical sentence or mathematical presentation, which is equivalent to this statement. Okay, so it says that after 20 years, his age. So what is his age after 20 years? So his age after 20 years is equal to x plus 20. So you put here x plus 20. Then the word will be, so this or this words, two words, will be, that is the same as is, are, where, was. So that is converted into equal. Okay? So that is, or that can be translated into equal. Then it says 10 times. So his age 10 years back. So what is his age 10 years back? So you just look at the table. 10 years back, his age was x minus 10. X minus 10. So it says that 10 times. So it means that this part, okay, so 10 times. So you have 10 here. Then times, you can put, no need to write x here to refer to times because we have already x here. You can just put a period. So it means multiplication. So, or you just put this inside the parenthesis. So this is understood to be, this one is multiplied with this. Okay, so rewriting this equation that we have formed from this statement above, we can write this x plus 20. Okay, and then we apply the distributive property of multiplication. So multiply. So we have 10 times x equal to 10x. Then 10 times minus 10 or negative 10, that is negative 100. Okay, so this is now our equation. So we have an equation with a single variable, which is x. So we normally put x on the left side and the rest put them in the other side or right side. So to do that, we have to remove this x here by subtracting it by 10x, and we also have to do on the other side, subtract this by 10x. Then to remove this constant, we have to subtract also by 20. So we also have to do that on the other side. Okay, so after that, combine similar terms, we have positive 10x cancels out with negative 10x. Okay, so on the right side, we have negative 100, combine natin sa negative 20. So that's the rule in combining numbers of different signs, the same signs, you just add the numbers and carry the common sign. So it means you add 120, so 120, then 120, and then we carry the common sign, which is negative. Okay, so here on the left side, we have positive 20, cancels out with a negative 20, and then we have positive x combined with negative 10x. So again, we have to understand that x is understood to be 1x. So we combined 1x and negative 10x. So the rule in combining, you have to add. You have to add. But when you add numbers or terms that are of different signs, so we have to subtract. Okay, so we have to subtract. So we subtract 10x with or by 1x. So that is minus 9x, because the rule is we carry the sign of bigger number after you subtract. So the sign of the bigger number is negative, so we carry the negative sign. So after that, solve for x. To solve for x, we just divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is negative 9. So we do the same on the other side. So negative 120 divided by negative 9. So we have negative 9 at the numerator, negative 9 at the denominator, cancels out. So we have x on the left side, and on the right side we have, when you calculate this, you can use your calculator. If you can do this manually, then it will give you 13.333, or we just round off into this first number after the decimal. So x, this is the What is X? How do we define X at the beginning? So X is a man's age now. Okay, so a man's age now. So, same way, we can check, no? So how to check? I will not do it now here. You can do it yourself. Just look at the other video that I have shown you or given you. Check, you just substitute it to the statement and check if it will make the two sides equal. So for example, if you substitute this value here, then check whether the left side equal to the right side. If that will happen, then we are sure that the value that we have calculated is correct. Okay, so after checking, of course you have here the checking, then you conclude, therefore, the question here is, what is a man's present age? So therefore, a man's present age is 13.3 years. Okay, so this is our final answer. Alright, so that's all. Thank you very much. If you have any questions or any comments, you may leave it in the comment section below. Thank you.